Good morning, children. Today's date is 18th of September and the year is 2020 and today's day is Friday. In our theme class today we are going to learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. Yes, you all know this life cycle because we had read the story of the very hungry caterpillar. Yes, do you all remember the story? It has become a favorite story of many of you. I know that because I heard your storytelling and many of you had retold the story of the very hungry caterpillar. Yes, and how the caterpillar at the end becomes a very beautiful butterfly. Yes, so let us revise. So it is very similar to the story. So from the story you already know what the life cycle of a butterfly looks like. So first what happens is the butterfly lays eggs on a leaf. Yes, it lays its eggs on a leaf and it lays millions of eggs, but only few survive. Yes, and how does it stay on the leaf? It has a special glue. Yes, so it attaches its eggs to the leaf with that special glue. As you can see here, you can go close. So there's this leaf and there are so many eggs. But not all these eggs will reach the stage of being a butterfly. Yeah, many of them don't survive. And few of them who survive, what happens to them? After some time, after 5 to 6 days, a beautiful caterpillar comes out. And you know what the caterpillar is. A caterpillar is very hungry when it comes out of the shell, yes, of the shell. And first what it does is it eats the covering that he was inside. Yes, so the egg shell. So first what he does is he eats the shell of the egg because he's so hungry. And then he eats the leaf, yeah, to become strong and to again grow, because he has to grow to become a butterfly. Yes, so he eats leaf. That is why the caterpillar lays eggs on the leaf, so that as soon as the caterpillar comes out, he has food to eat. Yes, and after a few days, when it is getting strong enough, one day what he does is it hangs itself on a leaf and covers itself in a cocoon, yeah, in a silky cocoon. It attaches itself to a leaf or a stem and covers itself in a cocoon. That's called the pupa. See, we can see here. See, it has covered himself. Now he's hiding inside this. He has covered himself and now he's going to transform. He's going to change his entire body. Yeah? So there inside it grows and it sheds its skin. It will no longer be a caterpillar anymore. Yeah, it's going to change. So what he does is, and he also stores food inside this, because when he's now hiding inside the cocoon, there's going to be no food. So he stores some food, some leaves inside as well, so that he can, he can store food for his next stage to become a butterfly. So he has enough food inside here, inside the cocoon, for surviving, for growing inside. Yes, and after a few days, what happens is the shell opens up. Yes, the shell opens up and a beautiful butterfly emerges out, a colorful and beautiful butterfly. Yes, and as soon as the butterfly comes out, what happens? When the beautiful butterfly comes out, it gulps air to expand its body. It needs some air. So he has to pump enough blood so that his wings can start working. He can start flying. when he comes out, he cannot instantly fly. Yes, so he needs some energy. So he needs to pump some air into his wings so that the wings become strong so that he's ready to fly. Yeah, because he has to fly, because if he does not fly, he will not be able to survive. He has to fly and look for some food, for some nectar. Yes, so that is why it is very important that he starts flying soon. So what he does after coming out of the cocoon, he gulps air and expands his body, and he pumps air into his wings, which helps to pump air into his wings, and his wings become strong and he's ready to fly. And then he goes flower to flower, to different plants, different leaves, looking for nectar, because he survives on sucking nectar from different fruits, from different flowers. That's his food. Yes, and so a butterfly comes out with a very colorful body. It has 2 antennas and 6 legs. If you see carefully, when a butterfly is sitting, you can count his legs. And they have 6 legs. Okay, so this is the life cycle of a butterfly. So from a small egg, then comes the caterpillar. Then again he covers himself in a cocoon. That's the pupa. And then after a few days comes out a beautiful, colorful butterfly. Yes. So you already knew this from the story of the very hungry caterpillar. Yes, of what are the things that the butterfly eats, the caterpillar eats. But he mostly likes to eat leaves, because that is what makes him strong. And the butterfly likes to suck nectar from different fruits and from different flowers. Yes. So I'm sure you're going to have fun knowing about them, and you can also start seeing some beautiful butterflies now that the rains are just ceasing away now. So you're going to have fun time looking at butterflies coming in your gardens, sitting on the flowers. It's a beautiful sight to watch. Happy learning, children. Bye.